All right, guys, welcome back. We are in the final days of Texas Truck Jam coming up this weekend. Crunch time, as usual. You know, last minute stuff. Levon and Firepunk took us up with some drive shaft loops, rear drive shaft loop, and then both fronts. So we're gonna install those today, and then after that, we got the cage started today. That was another big thing that happened. So I guess we're gonna put these on and then yeah, give you a little tutorial on how to do them, I guess, right? Yeah, cool. All right, well, let's do it.
Nobody's bigger than me, except Arnold.
All right, so we got the two front drive shafts installed. We drilled just 2 holes here to hold it up off of the diff. Very easy install. I faced my bolts out, that way the extra threads aren't anywhere near the drive shaft itself. And then back here, obviously an easy install, crossmember bolt, whatever. He sends 2 bolts because most people have the OEM crossmember. We don't. We have A2 Development's 3rd gen crossmember that he builds, and the second bolt, or the inner bolt, will not fit through with the bar here. So we just grabbed a nut and bolt from our bolt bin, slapped it on, same thing. It's gonna hold just fine. So got that installed, and now we're gonna work on the rear, which has to be within 6 inches of your yoke. So we're gonna measure it, drill it, tap it, and then be done with it. So far, so good. Easy installation of all three. Like pretty basic, don't you think?
Mhm. Yeah,
it
very.
was very basic stuff. You need some drills, basic hand tools. We use Milwaukee, whatever. But so just drill a hole here, drill a hole here, insert your little what do you want to call those?
Nutserts.
Nutserts, yeah. Little nutserts in there. Tighten them down. Let them spread out. Take the nut out, and then or take the bolt out. Put them back in. I mean, good to go. Like it was. We've probably been doing this for 45 minutes.
At the most.
At the most, yeah.
From beginning to end.
Beginning to end, super simple. If you have questions, call us. Comment on the YouTube channel. 10 out of 10 recommend. Like that was very easy. Now I feel much more safe if my drive shafts do explode. So huge shout out to Fire Punk and Levon. They overnighted them to us because we needed them for Texas Truck Jam. And here we are. 45 minutes later, installed, ready to rock. So good to go.